We start with the 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for reversal, and this is what we get. Then from there, we mentioned if we get a correction trade setup for buy, we can look for trade. And right now, we want looking at this. We want to see whether this is the correction for continuation or the price is going to drop. Okay, if the price is going to drop from here, we just let it go. We are not going to look for trade because mostly we cannot get a really good trade setup even for sell unless we see the changes. Then from there we can look. I mean, I will give update, but right now I'm looking at this correction. If we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it, and we want to see with the breakout of 1.74 following by 1.77. This is where, if we get a reversal, this is where we can start to manage our trades. That means we want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. The reason is, if we get a reversal, if the price reverse, we need to get the reversal as a short move. If the price reverse as a corrective move, mostly we can look for this one as a flat for one more drop. Okay, this is the best things we're looking for. Okay, but even we right now I mentioned there is a possibility the price reverse from here. If the price reverse from here, mostly we cannot get really good trade setup for sell unless we get the deeper correction. Okay, that's mean the best option I'm looking for this one as a correction. If we get any trade for buy, we will take it, and within this soon, if we see there is a continuation, we keep the trade. If not, then from there we take out the trade. If we get any opportunity for sell, we can take it, we can look for sell. That's mean we will conform with this flat. All right, and as I mentioned, there is a possibility for the price to drop from here, but mostly we cannot look for sell because at that times we will put this one as a expanding flat in relative to this as a first correction for the last. Also, we can look at this one in this way, but if drop from here, I'm not really interested to look for sell unless the price reverse as a corrective, then the price drop, because in that case still we can consider as a flat, which we explain right now. If we get any reversal for buy, we'll take it, then from there we see what's the next. But if the price reverse as a corrective move, even if we get a trade setup for buy, we take out the trade in the break even. Okay, now want to see what we have based on higher time frame. If I move to daily chart, okay, based on daily chart, everything similar to what we explained. We're looking for this one as a deeper move. If we get any trade for buy, we will take it. That's mean we can expect we will be within this move. All right, unless we see that we go with the second option, this one flat in relative to this, and the price is going to drop. Okay, but mostly, as I explained, if we get the reversal for buy, this is what we're looking for. What I mean by the reversal, if I move to forward chart, it will be more clear because we want this one turn to a deeper move. Then we're looking at this flat. If we get any trade for buy, this is what we get looking. With the breakout of this stuff, which is 1.9, we start to manage. But right now, we are looking at this one. We can expect this one turn to a correction as a flat in relative to this move for one more drop. That's why, based on 1 hour chart, I mentioned if we get any trade setup for buy, with the bigger picture, we need to know we will have a correction, and mostly we can expect this move turn to a deeper one in relative to this. Okay, and if I move to 1 hour chart, and right now we're looking at this correction, we want to see whether we can get a buy or not. If we get any trade setup for buy, we'll take it as a short-term trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank